morning, my name is Naja Joseph and I'm here to inform you on how to change a tire properly. Knowing how to change a tire is something every driver should know. It can save you money from towing companies and it's a simple procedure that only takes you about 30 minutes. Let's say you're driving alongside a highway or road when suddenly you hear a loud boom, then a thumping of a flat tire. Immediately, you should pull over on a flat surface on the side of the road and turn on your emergency brakes, then your hazard light to indicate an emergency. Then proceed with cautious. Now it's time to retrieve your tools that are located under the floor mat of most vehicles. If you drive a Jeep or SUV, your spare tire may be mounted on the back of the tailgate. Locate your manual for instructions. The tools you will need to start this process are the wrench and the car jack. Remove them based on your manual instructions. Afterwards, use the lug wrench to remove the lug nuts. Turn counterclockwise. If you have difficulty removing them, try using force. Remember this tip: lefty loosey, righty tighty. Remember, do not remove the lug nuts just yet, only loosen them. Finally, it's time to jack up your vehicle. Locate the framework under your car and place the jack under the tire you're going to change. Begin turning the knob on the jack until it has lifted the car in the air. Last step is to remove the flat tire and lugs. Once you have your spare tire positioned on the wheel stud, put the lug nuts back on the vehicle and tighten as much as possible by hand. Finally, lay your vehicle down off the jack. Make sure your lug nuts are completely tightened by hand, and that's how you completely change the tire.